All right, so today we're going to clean a CZ75B. First things first is always safety, so we have to clear the weapon. Once cleared, we can begin with disassembly. To disassemble the weapon, make sure that the safety is off and cock the hammer halfway or all the way. Move the slide back to where these two lines are in line with each other. Then with the base of a magazine, or in this case a nylon hammer, depress the slide stop. And then pull the slide stop out of the frame. You should just be able to pull the slide off the frame at this point, but I couldn't. I had to depress the trigger and gently guide the hammer back to the forward position, and only then did the slide come off. I thought the issue was because I didn't pull the hammer all the way back, but even then the slide would only be released once the hammer was in the forward position. The rest of the disassembly was pretty standard. Just pull the recoil spring guide and spring out, and then the barrel. At this point, your weapon has been field stripped. The first thing that you want to start off with is the barrel. CZ recommends running a solvent wet bore brush through the barrel and let it sit for 10 minutes. Here I'm using CLP, which is fine. This condiment bottle has some of my leaky spray can Lucas CLP. Funny enough, the condiment bottle isn't any better because it leaks as well. While we wait, we can begin cleaning other parts of the gun. To clean the slide and pretty much the rest of the gun, I used a nylon brush in conjunction with an oil patch. And so the goal here is to have these patches eventually come out clean. The breech face is one of those areas of the gun that you want to avoid oiling, but as you can see, this gun is very dirty, which is why you want to apply oil onto a cleaning patch or applicator to clean your gun instead of applying oil directly onto the gun. You don't want any of that excess oil seeping into the firing pin channel. CZ does not recommend use of solvent on any other part of the gun other than the bore. Once the breech face is clean, use a dry cloth to dry the part off. Over time, this residue will accumulate and start to cause issues. Having a clean gun is really having a safe gun. CZ doesn't provide a lot of guidance on how to clean the frame, but they do tell owners to not over oil the gun. So again, we will clean the gun by applying oil to a cloth patch and brush all over the frame and its components till clean. A lot of tutorials will tell you to focus on cleaning the frame rails, which is important, but when you have a gun as dirty as this, you'll need to take extra steps. A light film of carbon is to be expected, but when you have carbon caked onto areas like the magwell, we can assume that more important parts of the gun are just as dirty. And to fix this, we just have to take our time when cleaning the gun and be patient. You may even need to set the part down and clean another part of the gun as the solvents in the CLP break down the carbon. Once you've cleaned the gun to your liking, we can finish up the cleaning of the bore. Run a couple of patches through the bore until they come out clean as well. And then finish the barrel off with a wet oiled patch. Be sure to give the outside of your weapon a nice light coat of oil and buff dry. To reassemble your pistol, first put the barrel back on, followed by the op rod guide and spring. Cock the hammer back. And align the frame with the slide, and pull the slide back until those two lines at the rear of the receiver and slide line up. Then you can reinstall your slide stop. Cycle the slide a couple times and you're done. To lubricate this pistol, I had to call CZ again. The owner's manual doesn't tell you exactly where to lubricate this gun. The CZ rep told me to lubricate the frame rails and the slide cuts. The top of the barrel where it mates with the slide, and the inside of the slide itself where the barrel touches. Also apply some lubricant to the tip of the barrel and slide. And that's pretty much it. Your gun's been clean and lubricated.